नमस्ते, वेलकम टू ब्राउनर्स किचन। आज मैं बना रही हूँ अपनी देसी आइसक्रीम रेसिपीज। Last summer, when I posted ice cream recipe without any ice cream maker, I got a great response, and I also got tons of requests for making ice creams with different flavors. So today I'm going to show you all those requested ice cream with requested flavors. Lot of memories connected with all these ice cream recipes that I'm showing today, and also many of you wanted to see me speaking Hindi, so I'll be using few Hindi words today and also my Gujarati words. So let's get started. मुझे हिंदी भी अच्छी तरह बोलनी आती है અને ગુજરાતી તો બહુ જ સારું આવડે છે। आज मैं बनाऊंगी मीठे पान का आइसक्रीम, चीकू का आइसक्रीम, मैंगो, अंजीर, बादाम, केसर पिस्ता, देन एंड सो मेनी अदर फ्लेवर्स। तो ये सारे फ्लेवर बनाने के लिए पहले मैं बनाऊंगी प्लेन आइसक्रीम। The key ingredients for making ice cream is cream, heavy whipping cream, condensed milk. Here I have the container I took out from freezer. To that I'm going to add cream, and I'm going to whip until it's a stiff peak. Okay, here I have soft peak right now, you can see that. At this time, add condensed milk, or simply you can add sugar and continue whipping. I kind of like taste of condensed milk, and start whipping again. Perfect. This is how I want. तो ये हो गया हमारा plain ice cream ready. While I'm preparing all the flavors, I'm going to pop this into the freezer so it can get little firm and it will be a lot more easier to mix all the flavors in it. पहले हम बनाएंगे पान का आइसक्रीम। The first ice cream I'm going to make is a pan ice cream. Here I got fresh pan. पान ऐसे रेडी भी मिल जाता है या फिर आप घर पे भी बना सकते हैं। I have prepared one pan. खाई के पान बनारस वाला। Cut pan very fine, or you can just use blender, but these are so fresh, so I can just cut them fine easily. And you can see that I'm cutting with stuffing inside. I can see coconut, fennel seeds, cashews, tutti frutti, all in here, and it smells also great. Perfect. And here I have rose syrup. So first take the plain prepared ice cream, add pan and little bit of a rose syrup. Now mix it. Do not over mix any of your ice cream. That is how it looks good, and also you get better taste that way. Perfect. Licking the ice cream from spatula is much more fun than eating ice cream in bowl. And now this is ready to go into the freezer. तो ये हो गया अपना पान आइसक्रीम ready. When I heard about pan kulfi first time, I thought that's kind of a weird taste. But when I tasted, oh my god, it tastes so amazing. Even though I do not like much pan, मीठा pan, but ice cream still tastes amazing. इसको मैं रखने जा रही हूँ फ्रीजर में जब तक ये फर्म हो जाता है। It takes about 4 to 6 hours, or sometimes it may take longer. आओ अब बनाते हैं चीकू आइसक्रीम। This is basically सपोटा fruit. इतनी सारी रिक्वेस्ट थी मेरे लिए कि मैं इस आइसक्रीम को बनाऊं, पर यहाँ पे फ्रेश चीकू नहीं मिलता है। If you can get hold of fresh चीकू, absolutely great for you. ये मैंने टेस्ट किया है और बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट है इसका, just like a fresh one. Chop chiku into small pieces, sapota fruit, Next, I'm going to make puree of chiku. Add a little bit of milk to help it blend very well. I also like to add cardamom. So here I have taken cardamom seeds and I'm going to grind very fine. Alright, so here I got elaichi powder, cardamom powder. Take prepared plain ice cream. And now into the prepared ice cream, add cut chiku, sapota fruit, and pureed fruit, sapota fruit, chiku, and ground cardamom, elaichi. And now mix. Look at how yummy it looks already. Smells so good here. I love the color even. Looks yummy. Perfect. And this one is ready to go into the freezer as well. So I'm going to put chiku ice cream into the freezer. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet. Screaming for ice cream. अब बनाते हैं केसर पिस्ता ice cream. Saffron pistachio. To prepare kesar pista, I need a coarsely ground pistachio. So I'm not going to make it powder, but I need a coarse ground pistachio. Or you can just chop pistachio. Next, I'm going to take saffron, lightly grind it like that. And here I have hot milk, almost boiling hot milk. Add saffron, kesar, give it a good stir and let it cool down completely. You can pop into the refrigerator to cool down faster. Now to prepare again kesar pista ice cream, I'm taking plain ice cream here. Add pistachio, ground pistachio, and ready to add kesar milk. Saffron, dissolve with milk, and now give it a good stir. It's going to be a little bit tough here for me to mix. Make sure to bring from the bottom as well. Cover it, and this one is ready to go into the freezer as well. अभी आम की सीजन है तो ये तो बनता ही बनता है, तो चलो बनाते हैं मैंगो आइसक्रीम. Mango is the king of fruit. Why not prepare mango ice cream? I have taken out pulp using this kind of mango, and this mango I'm going to cut. And for the mango ice cream, I'm quickly going to chop this mango into cube, and I like to keep small cubes. Like this. Perfect. Take prepared plain ice cream. I'm going to first add cut mango and mango puree. This is sweet mango, so I just want to add a little less, but you can add more or less as per your preference. And again, as usual, I just would like to see the ripples, the swirls in all my ice creams and not mixed all the way. Then I add a little bit more, make swirls. Perfect. A little bit more swirls on top. Cover and ready to go into the freezer. अब बनाते हैं काजू ड्रैक्स आइसक्रीम. ये मेरा फेवरेट आइसक्रीम है. When I was a child, I used to buy creamsicle, cashew raisin creamsicles, and I still remember it was just 4 rupees, and I used to buy almost every day. And now to prepare Kaju Drax ice cream, cashew raisins, into this heavy bottomed pot on a medium heat, I'm going to boil fat milk. I'm using mix of a cream and milk here, known as half and half. So this is a fat milk, just about 1/4 cup, to soak cashew and raisins. This is very important if you want to make nice ice cream. I want kind of a cashew raisins little softer, and this way it helps to make perfect ice cream. Now stay by the stove, make sure that it does not burn because we have very less amount of milk. You can see that milk has already started boiling. I can see the bubbles on the edges. So it took only 1.5 minutes actually, but I'm still cooking on a medium heat, and now you can see that it's coming to boil. So turn off the stove. I'm going to transfer into the bowl so that it cools down faster. Take the plain prepared ice cream, ready to add cooled cashew and raisins cooked with milk to soften them. I also love to add a little bit of a cardamom, ground elaichi. Give it a mix. Cover it and ready to go into the freezer. तो ये हो गया हमारा काजू ड्रग्स आइसक्रीम रेडी. समर में तो पुदीना भी बहुत होता है हमारे यहाँ, तो why not make mint chocolate chip पुदीना वाली chocolate chip ice cream. This is my son's favorite, so I have to make it. I'm using fresh mint today, and I have a little plain ice cream left in here, and I'm going to add chocolate chip, finely chopped mint, green color, just a couple of drops good enough. Give it a good mix. And if you just like to keep those ripples instead of mixing all the way the green color, that's perfectly fine too. But make sure that your mint and chocolate chip is mixed well. Look at this yummy looking mint chocolate chip ice cream ready to go into the freezer. तो ये हो गई पुदीना चॉकलेट चिप वाली आइसक्रीम. तो ये सारी आइसक्रीम तो बनानी बहुत इजी है, लेकिन जब आप आइसक्रीम नट के साथ बनाना चाहते हैं तो थोड़ा वर्क करना पड़ता है. अब बनाते हैं अंजीर और बादाम का आइसक्रीम, फिग आलमंड आइसक्रीम. Almond, fig and cardamom I have here. Into the same pot I'm taking again milk, fat milk. Again turn on the stove on a medium heat, and I'm going to cook fig. It's very important to make fig soft, anjeer, and cook fig until it's soft, completely soft. When the milk comes to boil, you can switch off the heat and let fig soak for about half an hour or until they are nice and very soft. Alright, now fig and milk has cooled down completely, anjeer, and I'm going to blend now. And you will need a sufficient amount of liquid, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour all the milk that I used. And here I got almond, and now blend. Alright, now I have run out of containers even, and this is my last one. So here I have plain ice cream in here and ready to add fig and almond, badam, anjeer. Give it a good mix. Perfect. Cover it. ये आइसक्रीम भी रेडी हो गया. I'm going to put this into the freezer. मैं वापस आई हूँ 1 घंटे के बाद. सारी आइसक्रीम पूरी तरह से जम गई है. Let's check how they look like now. तो मैं एक एक खोल के बताती हूँ. Mango pan ice cream. Little bit of it already eaten. Chiku ice cream. Kesar pista. काजू ड्रग्स, मिंट चॉकलेट चिप, और ये रहा अंजीर बादाम, almond, fig. And look at this ice cream. You're gonna think I'm gonna be so fatty, but I make all this ice cream just once every summer to satisfy my crave for all those childhood memories and all that. मेरा favorite काजू ड्रग्स. So delicious, I can't tell you how good it is. So much satisfying. तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको ये सारी आइसक्रीम पसंद आएगी. अगर आप बनाएं तो मेरे साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें. So I hope I made it easier for you to prepare ice cream at home. Scream for ice cream. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with another great recipes.